How to get Photoshop free trial. Adobe Photoshop offers a free trial to let users explore its full suite of photo editing and design tools. Here's how to activate your Photoshop free trial. Overview. The Photoshop free trial lasts 7 days, providing access to all features of the latest version. After the trial, you can subscribe to continue using the software. Step 1. Visit the Adobe Photoshop free trial page. Go to www.adobe.com/photoshops/free trial. Click the Start Free Trial button on the page. Step 2. Sign in or create an Adobe account. Log in with your Adobe account credentials if you already have an account. If you're new, click Create an Account and enter your email address, a secure password, your name, and other required details. Step 3. Select the subscription plan. Choose the plan that includes Photoshop. Photoshop plan includes Photoshop and Adobe Fresco. Photography plan includes Photoshop, Lightroom, and Lightroom Classic. Creative Cloud All Apps plan includes Photoshop and over 20 other Adobe apps. All plans are eligible for the free trial. Step 4. Add payment information. Enter a valid credit debit card or PayPal account details. Adobe will not charge you during the 7-day trial, but charges will apply after the trial ends unless canceled. Step 5. Download and install Photoshop. After completing the sign-up process, Adobe Creative Cloud will automatically download. Open Creative Cloud, sign in, and download Photoshop. Install the software and launch it to start using your free trial. Step 6. Explore Photoshop features. Use the trial period to test photo editing tools like layers, masks, and filters, design features for graphics, logos, and digital art, integration with other Adobe apps like Lightroom. Step 7. Cancel before the trial ends if needed. Log into your Adobe account at www.adobe.com. Navigate to Plans Manage Plan. Select Cancel Plan to avoid charges after the 7-day trial. By following these steps, you can enjoy Photoshop free for 7 days and decide if it meets your creative needs.